Partnerships are critical to any organization, in particular GTMI, because manufacturing by definition is an interdisciplinary activity.
The unique value of working with GTMI is threefold. Number one, we help companies develop a pipeline of manufacturing talent. Number two, we provide advanced technologies for our company partners. And number three, the companies have access to our faculty and state-of-the-art facilities at GTMI.
We say this is where the industry is and this is what's happening currently. What are the needs of the industry and where is it going so that we can actually map out where the industry is headed.
We really benefit from an organization that's staying ahead of what the state of the art is and the latest and greatest technology. And we can bring some real industry challenges to the table.
We're frequently leading large proposal efforts to address grand challenges in manufacturing, basic research or translational research. In that process, we are convening the very best from industry, government, and academia to work with us, identify those challenges, and develop solutions for those challenges.
They help to centralize all of the exciting research and development that is happening within Georgia Tech and the community at large. It gives us one place that we can interact with that has already done a lot of the work, identifying what those industry needs are. They've been working with their researchers to help tune what they're working on to fit the industry needs.
GTMI is a perfect partner to industry. They come with a systems engineering approach and bringing three critical pillars together: expertise in advanced manufacturing, expertise in innovative materials, and expertise in data science and analytics.
It's not just that you go to GTMI because they've got good scientists or good capabilities. It's who you meet, people that you interact with is critical to having the right relationship.
At Georgia Tech, our mission is to improve the human condition, making the needed a reality and the impossible possible.